Are you still using your friends or sister's skincare products and wondering why it's not working for you? Well, there's actually one good reason for that. You have different skin types. Hello beautiful people, this is Imli and I'll be your host for this video. And if you are new to this channel, welcome to Beauty Barn, a place where we curate some of the top Korean skincare products in India. In this video, I'm gonna show you or guide you on how to find your skin type at home so that you don't have to spend money on products that you don't need. And here's what we'll be going over in this video. Number 1, what are skin types? 2, the importance of knowing your skin type. And 3, how to find yours. Now, what are skin types? Skin types are generally categorized into 4 main types: normal, oily, dry, and combination. Each type has its unique characteristics and needs. For example, oily skin tends to have a glossy shine and visible pores, while dry skin may feel tight and very flaky. Whereas combination skin is a combination of both oily and dry. And normal is just normal. Understanding these types is the first step in caring for your skin correctly. You might wonder, why bother knowing my skin type? The answer is very simple. Just like you choose your clothes that fit you well, your skin needs products that suits its type. Using the wrong products can lead to issues like breakouts, dryness, or excessive oiliness. It's all about finding the right balance for your skin. Now, let's get to the most exciting part, finding out your skin type. You can do a very simple test at home. First, wash your face with a gentle cleanser and pat it dry. Now wait for an hour without applying any products. After an hour, take a tissue and press it against different areas of your face. If the tissue picks up oily spots, you likely have oily or combination skin. If it feels tight and dry, you might have dry skin. No noticeable oil or tightness, you probably have normal skin. And if your skin feels irritated or reacts easily, it should be sensitive skin. Now in our upcoming video, we'll be giving you an easy guide on which ingredients or products you need for your skin type, so stay tuned. Now remember, knowing your skin type is just the beginning. It's a journey to understand what works best for you. And don't worry if you make mistakes along the way, that's okay. It's all the part of the learning curve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Beauty Barn for more skincare tips and tricks. Also, leave your questions and experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear from your skincare journey. Stay beautiful and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.